with Stacy. Everybody thinks we're dating, cause I spend my weekends hanging at her house. She's a part of the cheer team, top of her class and she's prom queen. When we study chemistry, she unbuttons her blouse. But I got a secret, I must confess. It's not in love for the way she dressed. She's not the reason